I know in the past I've talked about using this kind of a sanding system for your bowls and other projects. It's really handy to get several different sizes and grits of these with a nice rubber or sponge type bottom to them that gives them a lot of flex and they can get into a lot of tight areas. But today I wanted to talk about what do you do with bark. And you can get these. I get these at, well, you can get them at Amazon, you can get them at other places. And they come in various grits. There's ones that are very stiff. This is very, very stiff, an 80 grit. You got about a 320 here, and then you got all the way up to a 600 grit here. And what you want to do is you want to put it on, get it mounted onto your drill. And you want to go very slowly. You don't need it real fast. But you can get right in there. And the advantage of this is that it gets down in the crevices and it also rounds all those little tiny edges and keeps them from snagging later on when you're trying to put finish on. So it really exposes it. It makes it much softer to the hand if you're doing a live edge bowl. It is just the only way of doing this. You can't do this with hand sanding because you're just not going to get into those little spots. So I really recommend get yourself a set of these. They don't cost very much, and you'll use them over and over and over again for several years, I think. It's really just a very handy tool in the shop for finishing your bowls.